Origami again, and we are doing parrots this time. This is actually just kind of an advanced version of the origami bird that is also in this playlist. So you're going to start out with a diagonal line and then unfold it, and then you need to create that basic form. So you're taking your corner, pulling all the way into the center, creating a nice crisp edge, and again on the opposite side. Remember, these should be like little saloon doors, so you want to meet but not overlap. Alright, after you're here, we're going to hide our triangle. You want to fold it over. Sometimes that's easier. And then flip it back around. You're going to take this top edge and align it with your midpoint, and make sure to do that on both sides. Alright, once you're at this point, you're going to unfold the crease that you just made, and that crease that you made, you are going to repurpose and use it. So you're going to open up this little section, and you're going to take your point and fold it into the center, like so, and then this is going to lay nice and flat. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Remember, you want to use that crease that you already created. Alright, so this is where it should look. And then we need to create our awesome little feet. On the top and the bottom. Once you get to this point, since this is an extension of the other bird video, this one also incorporates scissors. Like I said before, in my opinion, traditional origami, you would not use scissors because it's about folding paper. However, this particular design does. So we're going to grab scissors, and we will be cutting this, what is for me, white piece of paper about halfway up. I'm going to sneak my scissors behind, slight cut up, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Alright, then you can put your scissors away, you won't need those again. And notice that I have rotated my paper so I can't see quite all my folds. This is almost like the front side. Then I'm going to take this edge right here, fold it into my midline, and of course I'll do that on both sides. Alright, from here we're going to close up, so along our midpoint line again, we're going to close up our bird, what will become a parrot here shortly, and go over our creases. Alright, now what you're going to do is at this line right here, so where your where the point is, you're actually going to fold that over and create a really nice sharp crease. And we're going to repurpose that crease here in just a moment. So once you have created that really nice crease, we're going to fold it back up and open it up. And we need to bring our head down and in. These pieces of paper are going to fold down with you. You want to make sure that you're not hiding it completely, because what you're creating right now is actually your head. So you want some of the head peeking out, and then you're going to pull this edge up a little bit so you get that back aspect that makes it look like the parrot that it is becoming. I'm going to pull my head even a little bit further out so I have a little bit more of a head rockin'. All right. The last thing you need to do is your tail. You're going to do 2 folds with your tail. You're going to do 1. That's pretty dang straight. And you're going to do 1 that lines up again, but this time goes even a little further in. Okay. So you'll have 2 creases. You can kind of see that there. And what's going to happen is you're going to open up the back of your tail, and you want to have that first crease kind of cover up, and you sneak in. So that's what the bottom's going to look like. And like so. Go over your creases once more. Make sure you're happy. And you got yourself, adjust my head just 1 more minute, make it a little bit more prominent. There we go. And you got yourself a parrot. A couple of them, actually. Now, all they have to do is learn how to talk to you. Good luck.